Hi everybody, I am back again. This is Elizabeth with Tiny House Prepper, and I wanted to show you the rest of the footage that I got when I was on my trip and a little bit more just about my cool mom.
Tiny House Prepper.
There you go.
Last night?
Very well.
Good. Did you guys throw him in bed and stay there?
Yes. You already know him. He's hard to keep there.
Dana and I met a really lovely lady at the airport when we were landing in San Diego, and she recommended that we come to visit her church while we're there. So as we had 2 Sundays, we went to the church both of those Sundays and thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm pretty impressed with the place and how they're there for the community and how they reach out. It's called the Coast City Church, and if you're in that area, you can find them at coastcitychurch.com.
Every day, every day, you are faithful.
Introduce yourselves.
Okay, I'm Diane. This is Vern.
Yes.
Albers.
They live in California. I'm out visiting, and remember we did a video about them when we were out here with Bill and I in January. So
And we just had so much fun with Elizabeth
Yeah.
today and Dana, her sister.
I'm going to watch my lighting for 1 second here. I'll hear about it if I don't. There we go, you guys. Anyway, but partly just wanted to get you guys on a little bit of video, but also I just wanted you to be able to say hi to Bill.
Hi,
Hi,
Bill.
I hope you're being good.
Wish you were here. We had a roast beef dinner,
It was good.
and we had hot fudge sundaes too. We
That-
gotta admit, we
that
did.
was
Oh,
good.
with mint
It was so good.
and strawberries.
And strawberries, yep.
Yeah. Wish you were here.
Love your new cottage, by the way.
Yes.
Absolutely.
That is so cool. And there's enough room for Vern and I can see that.
Oh, absolutely. We'll go camping sometime, and y'all can just be right with us.
Absolutely.
And you'll be saying y'all by the time we're...
Yeah, we'll be saying y'all, because we're looking at the south. We're looking
Yeah.
southward.
That's pretty cool. All right, thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
It was so much fun to get to visit with old friends. So here's a few more shots with Henry and just Mom. In this one picture, Henry didn't like that the sunshine looked like it was hitting Mom too hard, so he carefully held a pillow above her head until the sun wasn't shining on her anymore. We eventually found an umbrella that was serving a purpose to do that very well. We are going to have to head home, of course, at this point. We've been staying with Henry in their home, and like I said, the view outside of there is just beautiful, and it's been a great visit with them. And we just have to get going. So I know she's in good hands, and I'm so glad we were able to visit with her like we did. The lights over Chicago were so beautiful on the way home. We had a layover there, and oh, it was just shining beautiful yellow lights. This is back at Dana's house, and oh, the sunset that night. And after I get done showing you this incredibly beautiful sunset, I'm going to show a little clip that I recorded when we got back to Dana's son's house. This is her granddaughter working really hard to write her baby sister's name on a picture that she had just drawn. Just the joy of a small child.
Her name?
Yeah.
Hey.
Let's make a house.
What letters are in her name?
Yeah.
We have V,
Then
A,
A,
Y, D, A.
A. Yes.
And I love going with Dana to her quilting group. They're working on these squares that they've all been working on together to make a beautiful quilt. I've been able to spend time with them in a lot of different quilting functions, and they're just these lovely, hardworking wives and mothers and grandmothers that live in Maine, and I have loved getting to know them.
That's what I want to do?
This is the one that everybody's working on today. Isn't that cool?
Okay, all right, so
All
make
right.
a line then, so a 1/4 inch on each.
Then we broke up our trip going home by stopping to visit with her son and spend the night there. We went and had a really nice dinner, and she was making some silly faces that she figured the grandkids would really enjoy. I love little cafes like this. It smells so good in here. And this sign just cracked me up.
So I thought I would take this video to do a review.
Hi.
You're home.
I stumbled. Oh, I'm just so glad to see you.
You're home.
Yes, I'm home. I love you. I love you. I love you. That was so sweet of Dana to drive me home. I appreciated it. Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So
I got to see you first.
how was your trip home from?
It was good. It was good. So I'm just glad to see
yeah.
you. I'm glad to be home.
She's been gone for 3 long weeks.
You must have heard the car come up
I
or something.
did.
Oh, I'm so glad to see you. I love you.
We'll go get Dana.
Looking back at this amazing sunset, I was doing some thinking about how that every single stage of our life is truly beautiful. And sometimes it's the time when the sun is going down and you can just see the beauty and you can remember all the beautiful things from the day. And so a sunset isn't necessarily a bad time in somebody's life. That there was a time where I was watching Henry, watching Mom as she slept, and just seeing the incredible love on his face and just the beginnings of some real feelings of sorrow, and made me cry. Both of us ended up crying. Dana looked over and we were both pulling out handkerchiefs at the same time to try to wipe our faces, but just seeing the love on Henry's face for her, and how much she has been so important to him. I gotta admit, it touched me, and it just really broke my heart. I really love him, and I'm just going to be praying so hard for him. So this is my mom's high school senior picture. My grandparents, my grandma and grandpa, and Mom was their oldest when she was a baby here. My mom and dad, the day they got married. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't he handsome? By the way, my mom is 5'4" and my dad is 6'5". My dad was in the Navy away on a ship when I was born. He didn't see me till I was about 5 months old. So here's some pictures that Mom would send him from when I was little. And a Christmas morning when Dana and I were both small. Dana's the baby and I'm the older one. Mom sewed things for us all the time, and it looks like she had made a little robe for my doll that matched the one that I was wearing. Great memory. Mom put together an album of photos for me right about the time Bill and I got married. And that's where a lot of these pictures are coming from. And this little thing was what was written on the photo album. I thought that was really so true. The memories are forever.